Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have Brave security updates that are rolling out, which started rolling out on the 27th, which was late yesterday in my part of the world once again. And to double check, we have the latest update because we are dealing with important security fixes. We head to our main menu, Help, About, Brave. And the browser has been upgraded to version 1.64.113, so that's a point release, bumped up from 0.109. And the Chromium platform has been bumped up to version 123.0.6312.86, and that's exactly the same now as Google Chrome. Now, first of all, over and above important security fixes that have rolled out, we get two little improvements that have rolled out to the browser itself. And the first is Brave says from the release notes that they've improved Brave Leo, which is the AI chatbot for the Brave browser. They've improved Brave Leo handling for YouTube video transcripts. So obviously they've put a bit of work and an improvement for the AI chatbot to handle video transcripts when you are watching YouTube. So that's the first improvement. And then the next is they fixed a crash for Mac OS users, where they fixed a crash when accessing the right-click context menu in a PWA, which is a progressive web app, window on Mac OS. So those are the two improvements that have rolled out for the actual browser itself. Now, focusing on the Chromium security fixes, because Brave is based on that open source Chromium platform. We get 7 security fixes, as I have been posting, that have rolled out this week. And out of the 7, one of those is critical, which is your highest ranked vulnerability. So this is an important security fix that's rolled out. And the critical vulnerability is listed as use after free in Angle. And as many of you may well know, use after free is a very common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. So that's your highest ranked vulnerability. So an important update. And then the rest of the 6 security fixes that have rolled out are all high risk, which are use after free in Dawn, use after free in Web Codecs, and type confusion in WebAssembly, which is also another common exploit. So 7 security fixes, one of those is critical, and the other 6 are to address high-risk vulnerabilities. So when we're dealing with high-risk and critical vulnerabilities, just double-check your browser's up to date. And once again, like I always say, Brave is very quick to update the browser. When I came to double-check on my browsers this morning, on both my Windows 10 and 11 devices, the browser had already updated to the latest browser version and Chromium platform. So that's one thing I do enjoy about Brave. It very seldom needs me to actually manually update the browser. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.